My mother had a kitten, and there was so much ammonia in the air that its eyeballs popped out. I've seen plenty of dead cats in there.
This is the refrigerator. When my first cat got killed, I put him in here because I wanted to get him cremated. I probably have in frozen and refrigerated cats between maybe 75 to 100, if not more.
She thought she was going to get money to have them all cremated, but that never happened.
Percy is the one up here. You know I should be disposing of them, but I just love my little cats and I didn't want them to leave me. I always say I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm nuts. But, I mean, I just don't want you to die. Oh my God, I just feel so awful. I'm a failure. And that's how my whole life has been.
Crap. Now I gotta go in the closet.
Oh my God. Is that a dead cat?
Dead cat.
She's saving the dead bodies. And a lot of people say, what's that about? It's actually not that uncommon. She has an attachment disorder. It's an inability to form normal attachments or to be able to let go.
You're probably gonna find more.
Oh my God.